Hello and welcome back to Crafted by Rose. My name's Fiona and today I am going to be doing an unboxing. The unboxing I have for you today comes from Diamond Art Club. This was a kit that I pre-ordered some weeks ago. It's been sitting ready for me to unbox for a while, but I haven't managed to get around to it until now. But as I have, I thought that I'd share that with you, the unboxing. So this kit, it's around. Let's turn this kit over. So we have Hipster Boston Terrier by Mary Lynn Kavanagh. I'm sorry if I'm saying that last name incorrectly. As I said, it is a round diamond painting. Size, it's a 16 inch by 19 inch if we are talking inches, or if we're doing centimetres then it's 41 by 48, and it does have ABs in this kit. So let's get to unboxing. This one is a little bit different to a normal Diamond Art Club or to your standard diamond painting. Let's see if I've got, yeah, so we can put that box to one side. All of Diamond Art Club's kits do come in the polythene bag to protect your kit from dust or dirt. So we get a round toolkit with this painting. Let's get into the painting itself. Okay, so this is a partial. So with this kit, it is a partial. So the only part of this kit that you actually apply the drills to is the dog itself. The background of the painting, you don't have to do that. This is a smaller painting and it should go rather quickly considering that it is a partial drill. So we've got our drills. So we have our instruction booklet, your step-by-step instructions on how to diamond paint if you are new to diamond painting. So there we are, that's our step-by-step, and you do get a discount code for your next purchase. In Diamond Art Club's kits you get your standard small sticker for them, or you can use it for storing your diamond paintings. So if you're short on storage space, tend to stack these where it is that you actually store your paintings, and then these stickers will actually allow you to easily identify your paintings. So you could either stick it on the side if you stack them that way, or you could place it on the end. Then we have our schematic. So you get a schematic with all of Diamond Art Club's paintings. So it'll give you a large image of the painting itself. So in this case, our Hipster Boston Terrier. It'll give you the artist's name, the fact that whether it's a round or square diamond, this one being a round, and the measurements. And then here you have your list of colours for the painting, which for this one is 18, and it has one AB in the kit. So when you're kitting up and you're putting your drills into your storage containers, you can cut these up individually and then place them on your containers. Put the drills to one side for a moment and have a look at the diamond painting itself. So let's get you down into the drill field itself. So as we can see, our drills are really clear for this painting. The one AB in this kit is a white. So on this kit, the ABs are going to go here, here. So all, yeah, it is, I was just checking, it is in all the white patches. So it's not a combination of standard drill and AB. All the white is AB on this kit. The one change that I wish they had done was, instead of only having one AB, to have two, maybe three, so that you could put some AB, should I say, gems in his frames of his glasses. And then you could also put some in his bow tie as well. I thought that would have been a good touch. Here we have the drill field, nice and clear. Let's get into the drills. With it being a partial, it is a small packet of drills. Diamond Art Club do label their packs of drills with the name of the painting and its SKU number, so you can match the drills to the diamond painting if you don't have the box. So this kit, like I said, it has 18 colours, and it's mainly a combination of different shades of tan, your red, and then your black. Yeah, so we just have the one strip. So we have 310. Then we've got our only AB for this kit, which is 141. AB stands for Aurora Borealis. That is an iridescent coating that's applied to the drills to make them sparkle that much brighter. Let's get in there, see if I can show you better. So you can see that slight shimmer. That's the iridescent coating. Then we have 3371, which is your dark brown. Then we have 938, which is another dark brown, but just that slightly lighter. You've got 779. Then we've got 3860, which is a malt colour. Then we've got our first shade of red, which will be in the glasses and the bow tie, which is 814, which is a rather nice red. Then we have 3782, which is a kind of pistachio green. Then 644. And we have a lovely peach. I like this. It's kind of like a pastel-y peach, which is our 353. Then you've got kind of like a purpley brown, which is our 3861. A nice red, which is our 321. I don't normally like red, but it's nice. That shade is nice, so I do like that one. We've got 3864. And we've got a few of 3033, which is like an off-white. Get these to show themselves. Then we have 841, which is a lightish brown tanny colour. Then we have a cherry red, so 498. Then we have our bright red, 666. And finally we have our last colour, and it is a sage green, and it's 640. So that's the drills for this painting. Let's see if I can get them back into their packaging. Ooh, I think this one's actually going to be easy to get it back in. Let's hope that I haven't spoken too soon. Yep, that actually went back in without a fuss. So that was and is our Hipster Boston Terrier. So I hope you've enjoyed today's video. If you have, then please do consider giving this video a like. If you've liked today's video and you'd like to see more content like this, then please do consider subscribing. If you've not already, you can subscribe by clicking on the subscribe button down below. If you then click onto the bell icon next to your subscribe button round about here, then that will give you a notification of when I upload another video. That way you won't miss out. With that being said, thank you for joining me today for today's video, and I hope to see you all again next time. Thank you for watching. Bye.